In the mobile lifestyle, the standard factory-installed toilet is often the weakest link in your sanitary infrastructure. Lightweight plastic is prone to seal failure and structural fatigue. At Wade Media Research, we launched a 2026 sanitary audit. We analyzed 30 systems for ball valve integrity, chassis metallurgy, and fluid dynamic efficiency. We audited the material density. The Dometic 320 series utilizes a residential-grade porcelain bowl. This deep ceramic chassis provides superior hygiene and a high-fidelity feel that plastic modules cannot replicate. The seal is your only defense against tank odors. We audited the Teflon-coated ball valve systems, verifying which units maintain a zero-leak water barrier after a 5,000 cycle stress test. We measured flush velocity. By auditing the rim flow dynamics, we identified systems that utilize a full 360-degree rinse to maximize waste evacuation with minimal volumetric water consumption. Infrastructure shouldn't require a plumber. We audited the 2-bolt modular design. Systems like the Thetford Aquamagic allow for a 30-minute field replacement using standard workshop tools. Our audit confirms, the Dometic 310 and 320 series remain the standard for excellence. For those requiring a low-profile chassis, the Thetford Style 2 is the verified mechanical alternative. Don't just travel, upgrade your home on wheels. In the workshop of the RV, a porcelain throne is the only currency that translates into true long-term comfort. See the full seal integrity logs in our 2026 RV toilet rankings at hikegearguide.com. Look for the sanitary infrastructure audit.